One of the world's best-known leaders and a charismatic spiritual force was welcomed to Calgary today. Exiled Tibetan head of state and spiritual leader, the Dalai Lama, is known across the globe for his peace activism. Zulekha Nathu with a response from our city.
One culture welcoming another one, and for this drummer, an experience of a lifetime.
I was shaking and I was at the drum and my drum stopped and I couldn't do anything. I wasn't able to look at it, you know. It's amazing. It's unbelievable.
Jampa Tardo is part of a select group chosen to perform for His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the spiritual leader of the Tibetan people.
He's here to promote peace, harmony, which we need in this world right now.
The Dalai Lama is revered around the world for promoting compassion and tolerance. He is also a Nobel Peace Prize winner. He was invited to speak at the NOW conference by the University of Calgary about peace and ethics. It's considered a blessing when he drapes a white scarf around the neck of his believers, many of whom are still in awe.
It's once in a lifetime opportunity like this. It rarely comes.
Not like this.
Her 6-year-old daughter was a girl of few words when the Dalai Lama stopped to ask her name and age. How do you feel about that?
Very lucky.
Of course, his arrival wouldn't be complete without a typical Calgary welcome.
This board, I think, very practical. A sunny day, this is useful.
After getting gloves from members of the Aboriginal community, the Dalai Lama was white-hatted by Mayor Dave Bronconnier, a customary ceremony for all dignitaries, and that includes Buddhist monks. It has been 3 decades since he was last here, and it's taken that long for him to be officially recognized by the city as an international leader, making this occasion particularly special for those able to meet him. Zulekha Nathu, CBC News, Calgary.
And the Dalai Lama's address focused heavily on equality, peace, and pacifism, a message he's been trying to spread around the globe for decades.
Must go basic level, we are same human being. I want happy life, you want happy life, you also have the right to overcome suffering, me too. So on that level, we can communicate, we can work together, we can make a common effort for a better world.